How's it going, YouTube? Today we're going to be taking the door panels off of this Toyota Camry. All you should need is a plastic pry bar and a Phillips head screwdriver. First, we'll go ahead and remove our covers. You're going to have one behind the door handle. I like to stick the pry bar in between the door lock and the cover. Should have just enough room to pop the cover forward and pull it out like so. You're going to have one screw behind there. Next, we're going to take this window switch off. Kind of start where the grab handle is. There's a little cover or a little gap where you can pop this cover up, kind of like so. There's two clips holding it on and a little push pin holding the wiring harness on. So let's go ahead and take that out. We'll stuff the wiring harness back in. Then for this piece, I like to start towards the front. Kind of just pop it up, kind of like so. You can remove this piece. It's really not in the way, so you can kind of just leave it. But if you need to remove it, you just kind of push it forward and pull it out, kind of like so. But you can leave this piece. It's not necessarily in the way. So that now we have all three screws. We can go ahead and take them out. The one behind the window switch. And then the one underneath the armrest. Now that you have all three screws out, grab your plastic pry bar once again. Start with the corner. Once you have all the clips popped off, you can kind of just wiggle it up. Kind of like so. So that's the rear door panel. Now we'll move on to the front. Now we're on the front door panel. Pretty much the same process. We are going to have one extra cover up here at the top. But first we'll go ahead and get the door panel popped. We're going to have the cover behind the door handle. We'll go ahead and get it out. Kind of like so. You're going to have the cover for the window switch. Go ahead and get it popped. This one has two wiring harnesses. Then we'll go ahead and pull the armrest off. We'll go ahead and get our three screws out. Alright, we have our three screws out. Like I said at the beginning, you do have a cover up here. So you can take this door panel off without removing the cover. I just find it easier. So I grab my plastic pry bar. There's like two clips holding it in place. One at the bottom, one kind of towards the middle. That was just out of the way. Now we can go ahead and start at the bottom. Get our first clip popped. Work our edges. And there you have it. For the door handle, I'll go ahead and show you guys that real quick. If you guys do need to remove the door handle, you can leave the cables in place. I'm going to try to do this with one hand. But you can leave these cables in place. You kind of just get it and pry forward. Let's see if I can get this one hand. There we go. And it kind of just slips out. So you can leave the cables connected and then just kind of slide it out. So when you go put it back in, it'll just kind of clip right here. Hopefully I'm doing it justice. But yeah, that's how you remove the rear and front door panel on a Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching.